In this Malaysia vlog, we're in the city of Kota Bharu, Kelantan, and we're trying the most famous roti in Malaysia, the roti tatab. People come from all over Malaysia to try this roti at the famed cafe Kopitiam Kita. This is a must-try for anyone visiting Kota Bharu. We're going to share our roti tatab experience, and we're also going to try other tasty local Kelantan food that we found along the way. Kopitiam Kita is a very popular restaurant in Malaysia. It's got such a great atmosphere. Everyone's having so much fun here, taking lots of photos and just really enjoying the atmosphere. And the owner here, Mr. Wong, is a lovely guy. He's got this model of his signature dish, which is the roti tatab, and he takes photos of it with all of his customers. He's got a wall of fame with all of his customers displayed, and it's just such a lovely thing to do. The signature dish is very famous in Malaysia. The roti tatab is a thick slice of toast which has a half-cooked egg in the center and then a kaya butter or a coconut spread or a coconut jam which is dotted on the four corners of the toast. It's supposed to have a mixture of sweet and savory which works really well, and we've got a couple here. So we've got the special which has 2 eggs, and then we've got the pandan which is this green coloured one, so it's flavoured with pandan. We've also got one of their special drinks here which is the tea float. This looks amazing. So all the staff here are just so lovely and really welcoming. You just can't help but feel joy when you come in here. So I am going to try the roti tatab special, and this just looks amazing. So let's get some of that nice runny egg and some of the kaya butter. Oh yeah. Oh, that is so good. I love runny dough. It's one of my favorite things. And yeah, with the kaya jam, it just works really well. Gives it a nice bit of sweetness. The bread's really nice and fluffy, and it's really nicely toasted. So I'll just try some of the pandan now. I really love pandan. It's got a really beautiful flavour. Works so well with that kaya jam and with the egg. Yeah, so both of those are really nice. Highly recommended. So we're in the state of Kelantan, which is in the northeast of Malaysia, and you really haven't been to Kelantan until you've tried the roti tatab. Okay, so now let's try this tea float. Oh yeah, that tea's really nice and sweet. You can definitely taste the tea flavour, and I just love how it just overflows from the glass. And the staff here is so nice. They gave us chicken satay with some rice cakes. This looks so beautiful. Oh, that's delicious, and it's such a great way to finish our meal. You definitely have to come to Kopitiam Kita when you're in Kota Bharu.
We're at Kalate Kito, which is a restaurant right next to the Central Market in Kota Bharu. So we're trying the mee chilap. So mee chilap means dipped noodles. So what happens is with the noodles, it gets dipped in boiling water and then it gets put in the soup. So there's a range of herbs in here. It tastes like a Thai style soup, and there should be some meat in there as well. So looking forward to getting stuck into this. So I can see some beef, I can see some chicken in there, uh, bean sprouts, shallots. Oh, it looks really good. Okay, let's try some. This is a really delicious dish. So there's a bit of heat to it, but then there's also a lot of different herbs. I think there's lemongrass in there, garlic. Yeah, oh, it's really, really nice. This is really flavorful and great value too at 6 ringgit. This interesting looking drink is a float milk tea. So in particular, it's called Kaladi Jabok. It's a taro flavored drink. So it looks very interesting, and I like the way that the bubbles are just overflowing. So I'm just going to give this a try. So yeah, you can definitely taste the milk, and the taro taste is there as well. However, it's sweet. So yeah, it's a very interesting taste. It's visually really stunning and interesting taste, and only 4 ringgit. We've come to a street market stall and we've found Check Mix. So this is a dessert. It's sweet yams. So this looks very interesting. So it's chewy on the outside and quite gooey on the inside. So it's a local specialty dessert that's worth trying out when you're in Kota Bharu. After walking around in the hot Kota Bharu sun, there's nothing better than to treat yourself with a chendol. So we've come to a chendol restaurant that was recommended to us by the tourist office. So it's a little bit out of the main part of Kota Bharu, but I'm sure it's going to be well worth it. So we've got the chendol special. So it's shaved ice, it's brown sugar, sweetened condensed milk, may even be coconut milk in there, I'm not sure. And then there's also jelly bits too. It all accumulates into a really delicious dessert. So you can see there's some pink jelly bits, there's the typical green long jelly bit. I don't know exactly what it's called. Please let me know in the comments. That's really good. So it's quite different to your typical Western dessert. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you've had it a couple of times, it becomes very addictive and highly recommended when you're in Malaysia.
We hope you enjoyed our Kota Bharu food tour. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and leave a comment. We have plenty more Malaysia food and travel vlogs, so if you want to join us on our travels through Malaysia, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button to stay tuned.